Hey guys, welcome back to Coding Theory Guru. Today we are going to talk about the evolutionary model in software engineering. A model that helps you develop software step by step while continuously improving it based on user feedback. Okay. So the definition is the evolutionary model is a type of software development process in which the software is developed, released and improved in multiple iterations. Unlike the waterfall model, where all the requirements are fixed at the beginning, the evolutionary model allows for continuous feedback from users and incremental development until the final system meets all expectation. Okay. See, first let's understand the definition. The evolutionary model is a type of software development where the software is developed, release and improve in multiple iterations. Okay, in simple words, you build a basic version first, okay, then test it, gather feedback and keep refining it until the final system fully meets the requirements. Okay, so the main idea behind this model is flexibility and user satisfaction. Key points: iterative development. The system is built in small portions called iterations. Each iteration adds more features to the software. See, first is iterative development. The software is developed in small portions called iterations. Each iteration adds new features to the system. Okay. Second is user feedback. After each iteration, user provide feedback to refine and improve the system. See, after every iteration, feedback from users is collected to make the software better and error free. Okay. Then requirements flexibility. Requirements can evolve during the development, making it suitable for projects where requirements are not fully known initially. See, requirements flexibility. Even if the initial requirements are unclear, okay, this model works perfectly because requirements can evolve during development. Then prototyping approach. Early versions act as prototypes that are tested and refined until the final product is ready. Okay, the first version acts as a prototype which is tested and refined until the final product is ready. See, phases of evolutionary model. Planning. Identify initial requirements and define the scope for the first iteration. See, first is planning. Identify the initial requirements and decide what the first iteration will cover. Okay. Second is analysis and design. Develop a basic design for the iteration. Second is analyze and design. Prepare a basic design. Okay. Prepare a basic design for the iteration. Third is implementation. Build the first version or prototype of the system. Means build the first version or prototype of the system. Then testing. Test the iteration for functionality and reliability. Test this iteration for functionality and reliability. Then collect feedback from users and stakeholders. Then refine requirements and add new features based on feedback in the next iteration. Repeat. Continue iterations until the software meets the complete requirements. Okay. Repeat this process until the software completely meets all the requirements. Okay. Advantages. Allows the flexibility in requirements and changes during development. See, allows flexible requirements and changes during development. Okay. Early detection of errors and improvements through iterative testing. User involvement ensures the final system is more aligned with expectations. See, early detection of errors through iterative testing and user involvement ensures the final system is aligned with their expectations. And some disadvantages can be time consuming due to multiple iterations, requires constant user feedback which may not always be available. Project planning is difficult as final requirements may keep changing. See, can be time consuming due to multiple iterations, then requires constant user feedback which may not always be available. Project planning is challenging because final requirements may keep changing. Okay, so to sum up all this, the evolutionary model is perfect for projects where requirements are unclear or likely to change, and it emphasizes iterative development, user feedback, and gradual refinement to build software that meets real world expectations. Okay, thank you.